There's that baby Garter. He refused. Cod, he refused. Crickets, he refused. Waxworms, and he refused to eat superworms. But night crawlers, big thumbs up. Isn't he cute? Very young, very, very young. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, that brings Mommy so much joy. Now, if the weather stays good, I can release him soon. He's the one that was doing the spin from pesticide. He was dying, and I soaked him and soaked him and soaked him and washed him and soaked him, and now he's getting his strength back, and his personality has really come out. As well as mine. Just kidding. He wants that last piece. Anyway, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. And if you don't, have a good day anyway. Bye.